Testing, testing. I've had trouble with the first 5 seconds of my videos, but I think we're good now. Anyway, I found a beautiful data tree example online. I should give credit to who it is. I have on my Facebook page. Let me see if I can track it down. Really nice. It was on YouTube. It was Grasshopper Basic Understanding. I just have to get past the ads. It's called HandleBar3D. So really have a look at that one. I'm not going to go into the full details. I've jazzed it up a little bit. He does tons of examples, and here's the script of what I've downloaded from the tutorial video to really come at understanding what. Let me jump in here and look at your branch data, what that actually does. But your tree branches are fully in order here, and he dances back and forth between culling index and list items. And he keeps going back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth, and really draws out the visualization of what's happening on the trees with the data as it's being grafted and as it's being grouped. Really nice stuff, and as the matrix is being flipped. Very good basics. So what it is essentially this down at the bottom. And I will put this over to here, shaded. And you can see basically what's happening here. I've got a baked item in here. Let's get rid of it. And what you have is a series that I've run up in a point system all the way up. I've grafted it and moved it into another series. So basically grafting that, pulling a param viewer to have a look at it. And then I use another series to grab the tree branches that I want. So stepping every one and grabbing the 4 count. I'm culling the index back to 0 so it doesn't actually touch the main branch that I had on there, and it's pointing and giving a number system to each one. Then circles are put onto there. They're actually interpolated between those circles as they rotate around. It's very interesting. He drops them down on an angle, and then he interpolates a curve there so you can actually roll those around the branches, which, if that isn't making sense, basically he's got this little line that's kind of dancing around like that and doing a little jig all the way around as it goes. So you're basically laying hold and finding these items and keeping them separate so you're not just flattening. He tries not to flatten it at all, but the one tool he brings in that I'm still skeptical of using all the time is a shift paths. You really can manage your information even better using the path mapper, but that's something to start with, and definitely if you put the shift paths through the path mapper, you'll have a lot of luck with it. The video's on there. It's a nice little interesting shape. I thought it was fun to just add. I like the little rendering. I think it's playful and a funny little object. Of course, I did my variable pipes just to make it look a little fun. That's it. It'll be online. The first script came from the tutorial. The second one was pared down to the essence of everything that's in there and how to practice good data management and know what you're doing on set trees, node tree branch, and you're looking at data trees. Thanks very much for watching.